Người nước ngoài nói gì về ngày Quốc khánh ở Việt Nam?
Hi.
Yes.
Hello.
So can you introduce yourself, like where you from and what's your name?
Okay.
We are Frans and Jacqueline van Nieuwkoop, and we are from Holland.
We are visiting
Yes.
Vietnam for the first time.
And this is our first day.
It's very excited, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, we have a long time to go because we're going from the north
To the
tomorrow,
To the
also to the south of Vietnam
Yes. So how
for
do you?
17 days.
17 days. That's a very long day. Yeah, you can explore everything about Vietnam.
And we're going to enjoy it.
Yes. So it's very nice for you that you be here on a very special day. It's our Independence Day. So how do you feel about that?
Well,
It's very crowded, and it's nice to see all the people with the red hats and the red flags. So that's really nice.
and they are sitting here on the road for just now,
Yes.
and they wait till tomorrow
Yes,
for the
so-
parade.
Yeah,
well,
I
we're
know.
going to look to the parade as well.
Oh, you're
But
going
what-
to see it?
Yeah,
Yes.
we're trying to
Oh,
because
okay, that's very good.
but I'm sleeping in my own bed.
Yeah, yes. You can watch it from above.
Yeah,
Right?
from
Yes.
television, I think. Oh.
So anything that you want to say to congratulate us on the Independence Day?
We are very happy for you.
Yeah.
I hope you are happy with it. That's
And it's
the most important.
80 years, 80
Yes,
years ago
80
since
years.
the Second World War, I think.
That's a long road.
Yeah.
I thought I was from the French, but was from
The
the
Japanese. Yeah.
Japanese.
Yeah.
So,
But you had
well,
so many wars, so that's.
I tried before we came to Vietnam to try to read a little bit, a lot about Vietnam
Yeah.
and its history, and it's interesting because it starts in very long ago.
Yes, yes. We have a very long history.
History, yeah,
Yeah.
that's right. And you can't collect it all, but we try a little bit to know something about it.
Yes, and we very appreciate that.
Yeah.
Everybody want to learn more. You visit the country and you visit the history as well. Yeah.
The
So it's very
culture.
important.
Yeah,
yes.
right.
So thank you so much
Well,
for
thank you
supporting
very
us.
much.
Yeah, and also welcome you. Yeah, to
We're going to
Vietnam.
enjoy your
yes.
country. Thank you.
Ok. Premier, est-ce que vous pouvez se présenter un peu?
Oui.
Oui.
Alors moi je m'appelle Susanna, on vient de Suisse
D'accord.
et on est là pour 2 semaines, on est arrivé hier.
D'accord.
Donc c'est une découverte pour moi, je suis jamais venue au Vietnam, contrairement à mon mari qui était déjà venu il y a bien des années en arrière.
D'accord. C'est la première fois que
Oui.
vous venez au Vietnam.
Oui.
Voilà. Et alors, que vous pensez-vous de voyager à l'occasion du 80e anniversaire de la fête nationale du Vietnam?
Ah, je sais pas, tu veux
Oui,
pas-
alors c'est une surprise. On ne savait pas avant d'arriver, mais on est très content. On a découvert hier qu'il y avait une très grande population à Hanoï, très jeune d'ailleurs. Oui, et ça nous a fait très plaisir de participer hier à la vie locale. Tout le succès possible au Vietnam.
Au Vietnam, oui.
J'étais venu au Vietnam il y a entre 40 et 30 ans en arrière. À l'époque, il y avait beaucoup de vélos. Maintenant, il y a beaucoup de voitures et de scooters.
Oui, c'est beaucoup de développement,
Ça s'est énormément développé.
mais beaucoup de succès, oui, au Vietnam et aux Vietnamiens surtout.
Ouais.
Qui a l'air d'être un peuple très jeune et très dynamique et beaucoup de succès, beaucoup de bonheur.
Ok, merci beaucoup.
À vous.
Merci.
Pour votre soutien. Et je vous
Merci.
souhaite un bon voyage.
Merci beaucoup.